Hi, I'm Ali Mendoza. In this video, we're going to talk about why most affiliates are doomed to fail. We'll talk about the top 3 fatal mistakes you must stop doing to avoid affiliate marketing failure. Picking the right strategies for affiliate marketing is extremely important for becoming successful. Making the wrong choices can set you back months or years. It can even kill your chances of having a profitable affiliate marketing business. If you're making these 3 fatal mistakes, you need to stop immediately. Fatal mistake number 1, focusing on the wrong marketing activities. Instead of focusing on marketing activities that can generate sales and profits quickly, many affiliates spend most of their days creating content for their blogs and sites. This can involve spending hundreds or thousands of hours blogging, writing articles, creating videos, and other content. They're hoping that creating lots of content will eventually lead to lots of free traffic from search engines. They're hoping that their hard work will someday lead to lots of traffic and sales. The problem? Most entrepreneurs cannot afford to wait months or years to get traffic, sales, and profits. Lack of income has killed millions of promising blog sites and online businesses. Fatal mistake number 2, focusing on the wrong marketing strategies. Content creation is based on the hope of getting free traffic using search engine optimization, or SEO. There are 4.66 billion web pages in the world. As of March 2016, it's even larger today. It's getting harder and harder to get top ranking on search engines due to the growing competition. The harsh reality is that most blogs and sites will fail to get top ranking on Google and other search engines. And when traffic never comes, their sales and profits never come. Without any income coming in, they end up giving up, disillusioned, and demoralized. Relying on Google search engine ranking for traffic and sales is a scary proposition. Even if you're lucky enough to get top ranking, you never know when Google is going to change its ranking algorithm. You never know when your traffic and sales will be yanked out from under you. You're always vulnerable to losing your traffic, sales, profits, and income at any moment. With every Google algorithm changes, millions of online entrepreneurs have lost their traffic and income overnight. Fatal mistake number 3, not focusing on gaining marketing knowledge and skills essential for getting traffic, sales, and profits. Creating lots of content is very time-consuming. It's like a full-time job in itself. You end up with never having time for anything else. Most affiliates end up not gaining marketing knowledge and skills essential for getting traffic that converts to sales and profits. If you're failing to get traffic that converts to sales and profits, you will fail to generate spendable income. With no income coming in, you will end up running out of money, and you won't have any choice but to quit affiliate marketing. Marketing mistakes can be costly. It's not just your time, money, and energy that will get wasted. Marketing mistakes can keep you from having a profitable affiliate business for many months or even years. What's even worse than wasting a lot of time, money, and energy? Losing hope. If you end up losing hope, you can end up giving up on your dream of building a profitable business. Do not let that happen to you. You need to stop focusing on marketing activities and strategies that fail to deliver results. They keep you overworked and underpaid. Instead, you need to focus only on reliable, predictable, and profitable marketing strategies. They will generate traffic, sales, and profits day after day, month after month. For most affiliate marketers, this is easier said than done. They usually keep doing the wrong things even with little to no payoff. Why? Fatal mistakes often persist because they're based on commonly held false beliefs. Until you get rid of false beliefs, they will keep blocking your path to profitability and success. The next video will cover 3 common false beliefs about affiliate marketing that are killing your sales and profits. By getting rid of these common false beliefs, you can stop making fatal mistakes. You can start focusing on proven marketing strategies that can boost your traffic, sales, and profits. Thank you for watching this video. Click the link below to learn more now.